Thank you all for joining our session. My name is Mark Suki and I am the VP of Sales and Marketing for Massman Automation. During this session, we are excited to share with you our pouch packaging solutions, which comprise of the General Packer rotary machine and the Massman Inline machine. But first, I'd like to give you a quick overview of who Massman is. Massman Automation is a growing company that's been in business since 1978. We started in the little town of Villard, Minnesota. We have organically grown many of Massman's core product lines, such as case packing, but have also grown through acquisition. Massman currently has 5 locations and sister companies, which include EDL out of Green Bay, Wisconsin, who specializes in shrink bundling, shrink wrapping, and double tight wrap machines. We also have Ideal Pack out of Wisconsin, who specializes in semi-automatic filling of small to medium containers of all different shapes and sizes. Pace Group out of Eagan, Minnesota, specializes in large container filling, such as totes and drums. And most recently, we added DTM out of Hingham, Massachusetts, who specializes in small bottle high-speed lines. DTM also has the capability of providing complete turnkey systems from bottle unscramblers all the way through the finished load stretch wrappers. All of these companies combined allows Massman to provide more of a complete and customized end-of-line solution to our customers.
Hello, I am Dennis Hahn with Massman Automation Design, and I head up flexible pouch packaging machinery sales for Massman Automation. Anyhow, I want to thank you guys for attending this session. First of all, we have several solutions for pouch packaging, both pre-made pouches and for form, fill, seal. We handle General Packers machines from Japan, rotary machines, which I'll show you next, and then we have Massman's inline machines, which we'll also go over. This is General Packers M3000 machine. It has a lot of unique features. It's a very high efficient machine and very high quality. First of all, I'll kind of go over this and then we'll run it afterwards. This is the in-feed magazine, which holds approximately 10 minutes of runtime at 60 a minute. We pick it off and we put the bag into the centering box. This assures that the bag is put into the clip properly every time, and that's crucial for efficiency of these machines. We have a print station where if you look inside here, I can show you this, where the print wand would go in there and you could print lot and date code. I'll kind of show you behind the area. After we put the bag into the pouch clamp, then the next station here is the zipper opener, where we basically actually take fingers, clamp it on each side of the bag, and pull the zipper open. So the zipper can be run either open or closed when you put it in the magazine. The machine will open it if it is closed. Then again, we go to the print station, and then this is vacuum openers, and then we do a puff of air to make sure that bottom gusseted open if it's a gusseted pouch. Next section we go into is the fill section. This is station 5. We actually have a traveling forceps that drops in at the previous station, station 4, and basically it makes sure that the bag is open and we tell the filler to drop. The funnel drops down into the bag to assure that the product comes from the filler and ends up in the bag where you want it. For fillers, we can use combination weigh scale, auger fillers, volumetric cup fillers. We do not have a filler above this machine right now. Underneath here, we have vibrating paddles that come up and vibrate for the non-free flowing products. It helps get the product into the pouch. Walking around to the end of the machine, We have here a blowing unit. It actually does a little puff of air to clean off the top seal of the pouch if there's any debris on the top seal. And we can also use this same up and down motion, and you'll see that when the machine is running, to go into station 7 here, which would basically be for gas flush, for putting nitrogen in if you need that sort of thing. Station 8 here is, it's not a seal jaw. It actually comes in with sensors and makes sure that there's no product in the top of the seal. If there is product in the top of the seal and that is detected, then we will not run the top seal bars, so you won't get your product on the top seal bars, causing cleaning problems and downtime after that. Going over to station 9. Station 9 is your heated top seals. So that's servo controlled for both the heating and cooled. So it basically goes according to tension. And also underneath the seal bar here is a zipper closer, so you can actually close the zipper of the pouch as you're sealing the bag. So again, this is heat, and then we do cooling to set the seal, and then we drop it off. This is called a sorting chute. So bad bags will run behind into a bucket that you can have behind. Good bags will run off the end onto your conveyor, you know, to be case packed or whatever you do. It's a very compact machine. It doesn't take up a lot of space, and it runs up to 65 pouches a minute. The pouch size range is 4 inches wide up to 9 inches wide, and it goes 5 inches high all the way to 15 inches high. These machines are manufactured and designed in Japan, of very high quality, as I said before. And Massman does actually stock some of these machines in various configurations, so lead times can be very short. With that, let's turn on the machine and run it. I'm currently running the machine at 30 bags per minute. That's so you can see the functionality. At the end, I can turn it up to 60. See how the machine hands off the bag into the squaring section? Again, assuring that every bag goes in the clamp, bag clamp, the same place every time. It's very important for the top seal, it's very important for filling and opening the pouch, and for printing. Again, you can see that zipper opening down there. It works very, very well. Here we're going to be running the machine at 60 pouches per minute. Here we have Massman's Inline machine. It's basically very similar to a rotary machine. Still have 10 stations, and still instead of 10 stations in a rotary, you lay out 10 stations in line. It does take up more space in your plant, but it has the capability of going up to 16 inches wide, and it also has the capability of 10 pounds of weight. So it'll still run up to 60 pouches per minute. And here, let me walk you through. We still have a high capacity magazine for your infeed. We still have a squaring box here that assures that the pouch will be square and proper in the bag clamps every time. Print station. Then we have the zipper opener station. Again, use suction cups to open the bag, and then comes through with fingers and actually pulls open the bag. The next station is pouch opening with vacuum. We open both the bottom and the top. We go in with forceps to assure the bag is open and assure that the filling funnel will go into the bag. We can use multiple fill stations here. That's what an inline machine gives you. This is set up for combination weigh scale. This is actually coming off here, and when we set up for the customer is actually a volumetric cup filler inside. We're going to go with an auger filler in the second station and a scoop feeder in the third station. But these could be used for top seal cleaning and also for gas flush if needed. Here we go into the top seal, the heating bars that seal the top seal, and then cooling bars that set that seal, and then we drop off at the end. Good bags will go forward onto a customer's conveyor, bad bags go out the back. Okay? Yep.
We hope you now have a better understanding of what Massman offers for pouch packaging. Please reach out to us with any automation needs that you may have. From all of us here at Massman, thank you again for attending our session and have a great day.